Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and let me show you all secret codes which will work on this device. So first of all we have to open the dialer and let me show you the first code. It's *## pound *## 4636 pound *## pound *#. And as you can see, here we are in a testing mode and we can check some phone info and Wi-Fi info. Let's check the first one, and here we are provided with IMEI number, current network, data service and a voice call status. What's more, we can run ping test here. And after touching more, we can, for example, enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's get back. The same info we will get for the second option, but they are attached to the second SIM slot. Let's get back and let's check Wi-Fi info. As you can see here, we can check API configuration or status. So let me pick, for example, status, click on refresh stats, and here we've got info about network state, SSID or network ID. Now let's get back to the dialer and let me show you another code. This is the short one, *# pound 06 pound. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and serial number. Let's click on OK, and let me show you another code. It's *# pound *# 225 pound *#. And as you can see, here we are in a calendar info. Here we've got all events in one place. We can check some family events, holidays in your country, some birthdays or events attached to your mail. Now let's get back. And let me show you another code. It's *# pound *# 426 pound *#. And now we are in a diagnostic mode. We can check some events and also the status. What's more, we can show advanced view. Simply tap on this three dots icon and click on advanced view. As you can see here, we've got much more details. Let's get it back to the dialer and let me show you the last code. It's *# pound *# 464663 pound *#. And as you can see here, we are in a testing mode. We can test some components of our device. For example, we can run the speaker test. We can check Bluetooth address or back camera, twin back camera, fingerprint, battery, or so on. Let me show you one of them. For example, maybe touch panel. As you can see, now we have to draw lines in order to check if all the corners of our screen are working perfectly fine. So if you can see the blue color, then they are working. Okay, let's get back, and if you pass the test, you will see it right here. So that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.